In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can convert a number to standard form. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I need to convert 1300 into standard form. Let's start with the basics. Standard form is a clean way of writing very big or very small numbers that have excess zeros. And a number that is written in standard form will always look something like this, where the value of a will be a number between 1 and 10, where it's inclusive of 1, but it does not include 10. It will always be multiplied by a power of 10. So looking at my number 1300, 1300 could be written as 1.3 times by 1000. 1.3 will be my value of a, and here we can see that we are multiplying by a power of 10. 1000 can be expressed as 10 cubed, so 1300 written in standard form will be 1.3 times 10 to the power 3. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So 41,000 can be expressed as 4.1 times by 10,000. 4.1 is chosen because it's a number between 1 and 10, and this is my value of a. I then need to express 10,000 as a power of 10. So 41,000 is 4.1 times by 10 to the power 5.